Hey, what's going on? So I'm back on the water. Hopefully today we can get on some Fluke. I got a few boys with me, and yeah, let's see if we can make it happen. And hopefully I can touch that doormat I've been looking for. But last video I did nothing but blues. But hopefully today be a success and the blues don't show up. Because if they show up, I'm on them. But yeah, let's get right to it. Oh, you mother freaker. Oh, he down there. He won it. Oh, he looked nice, but he not a keeper though. The pink jerk shad and white. Alright, at least I got something for y'all on footage. Check it out. He's short. I want the keeper though. I had one earlier that I missed, but something is always better than nothing. This drift is ridiculous. This tide is coming in big time. I'm going to measure this one, y'all. Nice fluke, jerk shad. I'm not gonna even measure it. It's nowhere near a keeper. But they biting now. This fluke really trying to play me out, y'all. They down there feeding like crazy. Just not connecting. I'm gonna get them this time. Oh, I'm gonna get him this time. They all short, but they ain't gonna keep playing with me down there. See, Robin, I'll take it. The bird of the sea.
Oh, you on? I'm sorry.
You good? Something for you guys. I've been catching a lot of shorts, but y'all know my saying, something is always better than nothing. Oh, he swallowed this jig. Freak. Alright, so I safely released that one. That one was just gut hook, but I hit him right at the drop off. As soon as it dropped down there, that's when I got him. So Wasn't big at all. Holy crap. That's crazy. I gotta teach you how to hook set like that one day.
Yeah.
Teach you how to hook set like that.
Yep.
Oh, they shorts, but I guess you could say we having a good time. Yeah. Shorts, but like I said, we having a good time with them though. A lot of them out here.
I gotta go to the spot map. Damn, I just had one too. We would have doubled up.
Perfect release. Whole lot of shorts over here, y'all. Whole lot.
Quarter too.
All right, y'all, so I just got my keeper, and of course the camera wasn't rolling, but I'm gonna measure it, let y'all check it out too. So give me a second. And that's what I'm here for. That right here is what I came out here for. This is a little over 18 right here. Big shine, yup. That's what I'm here for, y'all. Let me measure them for y'all. Hold up 1 second. This is not what I'm here for, y'all. This junk is like right there where yours is at, bro.
No way.
Wow.
That one looks identical to the one that I got.
Yo, that junk is right there at 18. Wow.
Keeper?
That is crazy. I should have brought my tape measure.
I got my tape measure if you need it.
Yeah, let me check. Let me use yours. Because this one says 17 3/4.
Bro, that's
Wow.
the one that I just lost. Here.
Wow, that's crazy. I gotta measure him with another measure. Oh, because we're about to leave up out of here too, so.
This is 18 right here. This, I don't know if you can see it. That's 18, bro.
That's 18?
That's 18 right there.
Yep, 18 right on the nose. All right, y'all, this one going home. 18 on the actual tape measure, so this one is definitely going home. This is what I'm here for. This is what I'm here for.
Damn. That makes me so pissed, bro.
You'll be all right. Can't win them all, partner. So I finally made it home, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I am tired. Like, it was an accident on the highway coming back home, and despite being out there since early morning, that sun beat me up. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and until next time, I'll catch you out there on the water. And remember, it's salt life all day, every day, and catch you out there.